Good morning, community. I'm in the kitchen this morning and I'm fixing to make some vegetable broth from our fresh veggies that we've harvested, to include onions and carrots, and I'm going to add some turmeric and some ginger. Stay tuned. Let's get started. One of the most important things you want to remember is you need to use purified drinking water or spring water. You don't want to use water out of the tap because it has chlorine in it and it'll zap some of your nutrients. I have some beautiful onions from the garden, so I'm going to start with these. I got some very large onions. You can see about the size when I put my hand down here. I may even add 3. Nope, I'm going to settle for 2. I think 2 is enough. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the pot. The brilliant thing about making vegetable broth or bone broth with your onions is you can leave the skin on, because we're going to strain these out at the end. Next, I'm going to add my carrots. Now I'm going to scrub these down real good. I'm going to cut the ends and the tops off. We want to get all the veggie goodness out of this. We want to extract all the minerals and the nutrients. You can add as little or as many as you like. I think this is going to do me. I'm going to pop these in the pot. Next on the list is some celery. Now I do like to use the tops of them with the leaves because it gives it a little bit more magnesium and celery flavor. I'm going to throw in 4 heads of garlic. You don't need to chop it. You don't need to peel it, because it will do its thing as this heats up. Now we're going to process this for about 72 hours. I do not have any fresh turmeric, so I'm just going to use some powdered that I have, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon in there. About a teaspoon of peppercorn. Then we're going to add some sea salt. Going to stir it up real good. This is my trusty crock pot that I do my bone broths in. Beef and chicken, and now my vegetable broth. You can see it's one of the old-timey ones, guys, but it works wonderfully, and it's my go-to pot for my broths. We're going to turn it on low. We've got the lid on it. Now again, we're going to let this cook or simmer and do its thing for about 72 hours. We have done this in the past, and I got to tell you that when you make this broth and you use all these rich veggies that you've grown, it turns out to be a dark, rich, flavorful broth. In fact, you can't even tell that there might not be any bones in there when you do drink it. So I'm making this for Greg because while he works out in the heat, during these ramping up spring and summer months, he gets a little hot, and I'm trying to give him some natural nutrition to drink during the week. So he can drink it hot in the morning after he has his coffee, or he can even drink it cold, but chances are he'll drink it hot. Can't wait to see how this turns out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching us. If you enjoyed this video, we ask that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more good recipes coming up. Take care. God bless. See you soon.